Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan ra siya da ka Orange Nissan Lumso po near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Unong ilam jong kalyang persya o Dr. Mukul Sangma haka arpu santrik ubnay nailar arajar arpuay ula kam baki don kireo paj ba ki bala penpau ba menta ki kwa daki MLA ki badon hi haka sorkar bakin penkelem no ya ka sorkar Meghalaya Democratic Alliance kabalayalam daga sengsan perthai National People's Party. Haka jing yakren bat kilat pathai khubor Dr. Mukul ula ongru baka seng kongres kabasyong hakaliang persya kakloy banya sno oktilang ban kersanya ka no confidence motion lada wanra adiki MLA ki bakersanya ka sorkar MDA.
This time, I think people of the state, that is what the people of the state are telling me. Not my colleagues, but then people of the state are telling us, okay, that this time, members who are in the government, they should table no confidence motions against the government. And if anybody tables, we'll be there. Yes. No, I am being told by people, we were told by people of the state, that it should be the members who are in the government, who are in the ruling dispensation, who should table no confidence motions against the government. And that is the input that has been shared with us. They are telling us, they are telling them also, I am told. Now whether they agree or not is up to them. But if they table, then we are there. Because what did we say in the last assembly? You all asked, what is the solution to those all alleged irregularities and instances of corruption which is going on with complete impunity and lack of response, and to deal with any instances of allegation when brought before the government, the constant denial mode on those instances of allegations, prompt denial. So you have asked, we say that, I don't know, I don't find any solution until and unless somebody else is asked to probably be serious about taking cognizance of those issues and looking at correcting them. So, the timing when it is considered as right, the letters will reach them. Okay? Or rather, you should ask also people maybe whether they want the NC to be tabled by members in the ruling also, you can ask. So they should sit together and look at whether they can trust each other. If they have to decide to protect the interests of the state and to take cognizance of what is happening across the state and do justice to their responsibilities towards the larger good of people.